Okay guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while. I haven't really been filming much. I've been posting a lot on Instagram, but I've been just hammering away at this vehicle to try to get it running, and nervous right now. I'm ready to start it up for the first time. So I'm gonna run through with you real quick what I've got, what I've done, what I've, kind of where it's at right now, just to kind of catch you up on everything. So here we go. Here it is. Ta-da! This is my, if you're just tuning in, this is my 5.3 liter LS in a 1972 Datsun Wagon. So I have all the electrical connections, all the fuel rails. It has fuel pressure. The key's actually on right now, and there's fuel pressure in the system. There's a little teeny tiny leak right here that I can't seem to get rid of, but I'll work on that and come back to you. But yeah, this is all done and ready to go. I mean, I got spark plugs in it, I got oil in it, all the bolts are tight, and the fuel's on. I'm still kind of smelling fuel, but I don't see any leaks on the ground. There's nothing on the ground. That little spot right there is transmission fluid from just when I removed the yoke of the transmission to go get the driveline started, which I've ordered. And yeah, I mean, we are about ready to do it, guys. So give me a second and let me see if I can clean this leak up a little bit, figure out why it's leaking so much. I'll be right back with the actual startup, so hang in. All right, okay, I'm about ready to do the first startup on this puppy, so I'm really nervous, but here goes nothing. 4 years of work, and here we go. So, oh, it's already on. We're gonna do that. We'll cycle it one more time. Turn on. Fuel pump, I hear it. Here goes. What? I don't know what that noise was, but it fucking runs. Holy shit, it runs. Oh my god. What the? It runs. Holy shit, it runs. Crap. What? I don't know what that noise was, but it fucking runs. Holy shit, it runs! Oh my god. What the? It runs. Holy shit, it runs. Okay, there was a weird noise at the end. I don't know what that was, but I think I might know what it is. I gotta check something out. The main thing is, oh, it ran. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit, it ran. Oh my god. I don't know what to do because it just freaking started right up. Like, no problem. Didn't smoke? There was no smoke. What the hell? Like, why was there no smoke? Loud as fuck though. Holy crap. I think that noise, I need to check this out real quick before I turn it on again. And I can't run it for very long because I don't have any cooling on it. But I'm just flat. I mean, okay. Okay, I'm back. The noise I was hearing was just the converter because I don't have the converter. The noise was the converter and the flywheel, because I don't have the converter bolted to the flywheel. There's space in between them. Obviously they're not rubbing, but I think just the spinning of the engine caused the converter kind of to spin as well. I'm gonna start it up one more time and see, let it run a little bit longer. There was, oh yeah, that's what I need to do. There was this, all these, I just kind of lightly kind of checked. I mean, I didn't have it on for very long, so they're not hot. They're not super hot, but they're warm. I just want to make sure all the cylinders are firing. This one's cold. That one's warm. This one's cold right here, so I need to pull that plug. See, the stock wires, plug wires aren't fitting well with those funky boots, with these headers being so close. Like, see, like this one is all like kind of pushed in, kind of weird. So I'm going to pull that one out, put it back in, pull the shield off of it, put it back in, and then start it back up again. All right, be right back. Okay, I think I fixed it. Oh, it didn't fix it. What the heck? Huh, that's just bizarre. Did I blow my starter? What if I blew up my starter? Well, all right, time to diagnose, but it did start, and it will start again. I just got to figure out what I screwed up, and I'll be back. So I'm gonna post this. It'll be a short video. Like and subscribe. I'll try to do another video soon. If not, check out my Instagram. It's @MotoGeekster. I post a lot there, maybe every other day. That's it. See ya.